Okay, for this one, we're still on our rules of exponents, but this one's a little bit different. This is x to the 6th power squared. That would be like me saying that there's x to the 6th times x to the 6th. And we can write all of these out, and it will be one really long one, but what we've learned is, the rule is, if it's raised to another power, we distribute this 2 to the inside. And the way that we do that is we multiply these two exponents. So this would be the same thing as x to the 6th times 2. And x to the 6th times 2 is x to the 12th. All we're simply going to do is multiply those two exponents together. Alright, now we're going to get one that's a little bit more complicated. If we do one that has, let's say it has 3x squared y to the 3rd. And we want to cube all of this. This is where it gets a little bit different. What I would recommend whenever you're doing this one is that you actually write down each step underneath it. Don't skip any steps on this. It helps to kind of clarify it. So this 3 would have to be distributed to that 3. So this would be 3 cubed, 3 to the 3rd power. And then what we just learned was, with these exponents, we just simply multiply them. x2 times 3. See how I'm writing all of this out? This helps so that you don't make mistakes later on. And this is going to be y to the 3 times 3. 3 to the 3rd power, that's 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3, 27. 27 is going to be our coefficient. X, 2 times 3 would be 6, x to the 6th power. Y, 3 times 3 would be 9. So our answer on this one would be 27, x to the 6th, y to the 9th power. Alright, now let's do one more that's even more complicated than this. We'll write this one as 2m to the 4th n to the 7th. And let's go ahead and raise that one to the 4th power times m to the 3rd power. Okay, first thing I do is I distribute this 4 to every one of those guys inside of that parenthesis. Okay, so this is the same thing as 2 to the 4th m, 2 to the 4th m, and now this is 4 times 4. Then I have this n, and this is 7 times 4. And then I finish writing this last one out, times m to the 3rd. I haven't really done anything with that guy yet. I just want to write him down so I don't forget about him. 2 to the 4th. So that's 2 times itself 4 times, which would be 16. 16 m, this is 4 times 4, that would be 16. N, 7 times 4 would be 28. Times m to the 3rd power. Notice I still haven't done anything with this guy yet. I wanted to simplify all of these. That way I make sure I have all those clear, and then I can do this guy last. Now we're going to combine this other rule here that says if we are multiplying two of them that have the exact same base, we simply add their exponents. So I'm going to take these two that have the same base of m, and I'm going to add their exponents. So this would be 16m to the 16 plus 3. Okay, now I got that. This is the m to the 16th and m to the 3. I just add those two exponents. Okay? N to the 28th. And I know that 16 plus 3 would be 19. So this would be 16 m to the 19th n to the 28th. Thank you.